This is one question from conic section in the part called parabola. It says we have to find the equation of a parabola whose focus is -1, -2. That means we know this focus whose coordinate is given as -1, -2. Further, equation of the directrix is given as x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is directrix, as you can see, and we know the equation here. Equation of the directrix is x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0. That's what given to us. Now we have to find the equation of the parabola. For that, I'm taking any general point. I took this point, say this one, as say P, and I took this point as say xy. That's a general point. What we know from the concept or the definition of parabola, this length PM should be equal to say PS, right? That's what we know from the general point. Now, first of all, we are going to use two formula here. One is the distance of a line from a point, that is perpendicular distance of a line from a point, say x1, y1, given by this formula. Now we are using this relation. Secondly, we will be using this distance formula. That is the other one, that is distance between 2 points is this. Now, first of all, I'm applying this PM, as you can see here from this, not PM, that is PS is equal to PM. That's from the definition of a parabola. Over PS, I'm going to apply this distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And if two distances are equal, we can write their squares are also equal. That means PS square is equal to PM square in order to eliminate this under root thing. Now replacing PS with the distance formula, it is x2 minus x1 whole square. So it's x minus minus 1, that is x plus 1 whole square, plus y minus minus 1, that is y plus 2 whole square, is equal to PM. This PM I'm obtaining using this distance formula, that is AX1. As you can see, A is from this part, A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is 3. So replacing ABC with 1, minus 2, and 3, and x1, y1 with x and y. What do we obtain here? That is, this is AX1, that is A is 1, so that is x minus 2y plus C, which is 3 in this case, whole modulus under root A square plus B square. Now this is A square, as you can see, is 1. That's 1 square plus B square, which is minus 2. So it's minus 2 whole square. But then you have to realize that there is a square over this because it is PS square. On further simplification, what I can see here, that we can do expansion of this. This is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is Y square plus 2AB, which is 4Y plus 4. And on the expansion of this, I'm going to get x minus 2y plus 3 whole square. And below it is under root 5 whole, under root 5, right? Because it is 1 square is 1 and minus 2 square is 4. And there is an under root, but as you can see, there is a square over it. So I can simply write 5 instead of under root 5 whole square. So this is 5. Now, after that, we'll be applying a formula called, or identity as, A plus B plus C whole square to proceed with this. Continuing with this, I'm writing this is x square plus y square plus 2x on the left hand side plus 4y and then plus 5. And this is 5 times, as you can see, this 5 on transposing to the left will be multiplied. And then after that, we'll be applying, that is A plus B plus C whole square on this part. So for applying this, what I'm doing here, I'm writing A, which is x here, A square plus B square, that is minus 2y whole square, that is this, plus B square, which is 9, and then plus 2 times first term into second term. So that is, it will be minus, as there is a minus 2y, 2 into 2 is 4. So that is minus 4xy. Then it is 2BC, and B is minus 2y, and C is 3. So that will give you minus 2 into 3 is 6, into 2 that is 12y, and then plus 6x the same way. Now in the next part, we'll open the bracket here. So this will give you 5x square plus 5 times y square plus 10x plus 20y plus 25. On the other side, we have this x square plus 4 times y square plus 9, or I can write in the decreasing order of power, that is minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x and plus 9. Now we can see there are some like terms. As you can see, this 5x square and x square, like that, we have like terms. So we'll be solving the like terms. What we get, 5x square minus x square will be 4 times x square. 5y square minus y square will give you, this is y square. And then further we have this 10x minus 6x will give you 4x. We have 20y plus 12y, that is 32y. In terms of, we don't have xy term, so I'll be writing plus 4xy to the left hand side. And then dealing with the constants here, constant is 25 on the left and 9 on the right. So it will be plus 16 equal to 0. So as you know that this xy I have taken here as the general point, and therefore we can say that this equation will satisfy the equation of parabola. So at the end, we got the equation of parabola as this.